Hey guys, today's math lesson is for Thursday. Yay, Thursday. It's almost Friday. And guess what? Next week is spring break. You have a whole week to rest, okay? Recharge before we get back at it, okay? If I haven't told you lately, I really miss seeing your sweet faces and giving you hugs and high fives. So here's a hug from me. Give yourself a big hug back and a high five. Fist bump. Whoop. Nailed it. So, hope you're doing well. And we're going to get started for today. So if you want to, we're just going to review. So what I want you to do is go ahead and look at your packet. If you don't have it, I can show you with my screen. So go ahead, get your paper, your pencil, or your whiteboard and marker ready. And let's see if we can do these problems together. Got mine ready. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Thursday section of our math packet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the first one, okay? So it says, Morgan counted 11 birds on the fence. A dog came by, it's probably my dog, and scared some birds away. Now there are 3 birds. How many birds did the dog scare away? So we're going to set this problem up together. And then we'll work on solving it 2 different ways, okay? I think I can help you solve it in some different ways. So let's read it one more time, and then we'll get it set up. Excuse me. Morgan counted 11 birds on the fence. A dog came by and scared some birds away. So there were 11 birds, okay? And then it says that the dog scared some away. So some means we don't know. So I just draw a little blank there. Okay? It says now, keyword now, there are 3. It wants to know how many birds did they scare away. There were 11. If they scare it away, that means they're going to fly away. That means we're going to take away. Okay? So there were 11. The dog scared some away. Now, word now means to write your equal sign. Now there are 3. So when we are solving for a missing number, we are going to look at our signs, and I like to label, okay? So I circle, box, label, solve. Okay, I circle my signs, which are subtract and equals, and then I'm going to box my equation that I'm really looking at. 11 minus something equals 3. So when I subtract, I know that I start with a whole, okay? I'm going to take away a part, and I'm left with a part. Now, when we solve, we can do this different ways, okay? We can start by using a math mountain. I like math mountain because it's just part, whole, and I can fill in with what I have. What's my whole? 11 at the top. I don't know this part, but I know that this part is 3. So what I have to do is I have to figure out what plus 3 when I come together makes 11. Okay, so I have 3. I'm going to count on until I get 11. Ready? Put 3 in your head. Whoop, put it in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop. Then all you have to do is count how many we're missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8. So what we're going to do is we can also solve this on a number line. Okay? Let's see if we can do that. Here is my number line. Okay? So my equation was 11 minus something equals 3. So you can do this different ways. Okay? You can start at 11 and you can subtract until you get to 3. Or you can start at 11 and you can hop back 3 places. So let's try that. Subtract. I've got to move back. So I know that I can rewrite that with 11 minus 3 equals something. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? 8. Or if you were unsure, you can count how many hops it takes to get to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no matter how I solved, number line or math mountain, the missing add-in was 3. I'm sorry, 8. The missing add-in was 8. All right, so that was a review of missing add-ins. Let's look at our next problem. Here we go. This is a first grade class conducted a survey for pets. Dogs had 12 and cats had 5. Lucas said that the cats had 6 fewer votes than dogs. Do you agree or disagree? Well, let's see what we think. Okay, so dogs had 12. And it says that cats had 5. So that word fewer, we can replace it with the word less, okay? So it says that it's saying that there are 6 less votes for cats than dogs, 6 less. So to figure that out, we are going to see if 12 minus 5 equals 6. We're going to see that. So all you have to do is you have 12. Okay? We're going to take away 5 and see if it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if there are 6 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. So the number 5 is actually 7 less than 12, not 6. So that would be false, because 12 minus 5 equals 7. So when it's asking you how many less or fewer, and you're comparing those numbers, you have to subtract, okay? So your third problem for Thursday is right here, and it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Leah is making a bracelet for her mom. She has 50 beads to use. She makes the bracelet with 30 beads. How many beads does she have left? How many beads does she have left? She had 50 beads that she could use. Out of the 50, she only used 30. If he wants to know how many are left, all we have to do is subtract, okay? So I can do multiples of 10. So I can take 5 10s, okay, because they're both in 0, they're both multiples of 10. So if I have 5 10s and I take away 3, 1, 2, 3, how many are left? 2. 2 10s is equal to 20. Okay, so that's one way. That's kind of using mental math. Or we could stand this up and then we could say 50 minus 30 equals. Put my little TO and draw my number. So when I subtract, I only draw the top number. So that's 5 10s for 50. And I'm going to take away the ones. I start in the ones place. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 10s minus 3. 1, 2, 3 is equal to 2 10s. And my answer is 20. All right, so there is that for today. And also, if you will, you can also view the brain pop video on subtraction just for a little more practice, okay? So that's missing add-ins, multiples of 10, and subtraction, okay? If you do want some extra practice problems, here are some that you can practice really quickly, okay? These are just like the ones we practiced. 12 minus something equals 5, 15 minus 8, and 80 minus 60. Now for 2-digit minus 1-digit subtraction, just use the number line or draw the whole and take away the part, okay? There's just some more practice problems. Let me know what you get for your answers. Bye!